So here's another automation that we built for another insurance company. And here's exactly how it works. So there's a specific report that we needed to get that shows the submitted business and the issued business for all the agents that they have for each month. So for most of the reports, it's easier to typically like download a file and then process it. This one, we had to get a little bit creative and kind of work around that limitation. But we just want to show you, we found a way to successfully download the file, convert it to an HTML file. So we essentially scraped the entire web page to get all the data that we need. And then this is what we're going to actually be processing here. So once we are ready, all you're going to have to do is log into the website. Once we have our file over here, we're just going to run this script really quick. Now you can see that literally took just a few seconds, and we have successfully created a brand new file over here. And this new file will have all the data that we need from the previous page that we're showing you before. So essentially this allows us to take a less than ideal format, for example, like this one. This is not really easy to work with, and you're essentially going to have your employees sitting there all day copying and pasting numbers off of this. And there's a much faster way to do this. But you can actually use this process for a whole bunch of other different file formats as well. We can do this with CSV files. We can do this with Excel files. We can do this with PDF files, HTML files. But this is a perfect example where we're able to automatically scrape a less than ideal format report here and turn it into a nice, perfectly formatted CSV file that you can easily work with. So if this sounds like something you guys potentially need help with, please click the link down below, and we'd love to hear from you.